In this video, we are going to show you how to use this 7000 milliamp jump starter provided by Lokithor for review. Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Greg, and in this channel I create product reviews, mods, install guides of cool car accessories and gadgets. JTC4250 combines a jump starter, battery tester, and a battery charger in one innovative device. It's compatible with 6 volts and 12 volt batteries. IP65 waterproof rating with these closed ports, and ergonomic handle up on top. On the side, we have your enclosed power port with an included 4-foot 11 inches power cable. You have your enclosed ports, your USB-C input and output port, 5 to 20 volts, 3 amps, with power delivery up to 60 watts. A USB-A output, 5 volts, 3 amps, 9 volts, 2 amps, or 12 volts, 1.5 amps. This is your port for your battery clamps. Includes an 11.22 inch battery clamp cable, your LED lights at 300 lumens. We have your SOS mode and your strobe mode in amber. Weighs in at about 5 pounds. A nice colored screen. Here is your power button. Your light button, your up and down selection buttons, cancel button, and your confirm button. Let's try to connect to the app using Bluetooth. Open up your app, go to batteries, select your battery charger, hit confirm, and now we're connected. Once you're paired, your Bluetooth will light up. Let's go to your menu. We have your jump start mode. You can use normal start or force start. For your force start mode, that is used when your 12 volt auto start fails. Do note that in this mode, the anti-spark function and some safety protection mechanisms are disabled. Your battery charger. Let's charge this dead battery here. We're going to go ahead and plug in your AC. Then we're going to connect the cables. You can see we have a reading of 2.1 volts. Go to your menu, select battery charge. We're going to do normal charge. Select your battery type. We have 12 volts, and you can change your current charge. 1 amp, 6 amps, or 5 amps, 4 amps, 3 amps, or 2 amps. Then hit OK. You have your forced charge mode. Remember again, in forced charge mode, the anti-spark function and some safety protection mechanisms are disabled. And your repair charge mode. Your battery tester. First, we turn on the device. Then we go ahead and connect to the battery terminals. Go to your menu. Select battery test. Your battery test. Select your type of battery. You can change your parameters, and it'll take about 3 to 5 seconds. And here are your results. Open up the app, and we have your battery test results. Your cranking test. Go to your menu, select battery test. Go to your cranking test, and let's go ahead and start the vehicle. Performance is good. Now let's go ahead and check the app. And here is your synchronized cranking test results. And your charging test. All right, so during this test, you're gonna engage all loads. So you're gonna increase your RPM to 2,500 to 3,000 RPM and hold that for about 60 seconds. Go ahead and start up the vehicle. Then you want to shift to neutral. Then rev your engine 2500 to 3000 RPM for 60 seconds. And there is your results. We have your synchronized test results on the app. Your power supply and your settings. Includes 2 USB cables, a storage bag for your cables, and your user manual. If you're interested in this product, I'm going to leave the product link in the description below. If you haven't done so already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I'll bring you more content just like this. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.